ever. Yeah!
BoneYard is brought to you by
Hey now people, I'm Jason Acorn and you're watching the BoneYard. And on this week's episode we have 3 separate hunts. On our first hunt of the episode we have a young lad named Mitchell Payment. Technically this will be Mitchell's second season with the BoneYard because Mitchell came in second place on the BoneYard bear hunt giveaway at the Mother of All Shoots. Mitchell dropped his hand and he missed the target. And then next we have Sheldon Arams making his big BoneYard debut.
What do you figure, Sheldon?
I don't know, that's fine. I'm shaking, man.
And he's hunting whitetail in Saskatchewan. Calvin and I always like to have a title for every episode. And coming up with this one was really easy.
Like, real easy.
It's September the 5th, first bow hunt of the year, and we've been scouting 2 beautiful bucks out here. I call one tines because he has 7 on each side and one the Big 10, and he's just a huge frame 5x5. And we're going in here early because they're on their preseason patterns and they're not real scared yet, and they haven't had a lot of pressure yet this year. And so we're hoping we can get on one, stick an arrow in one, so stay tuned.
A little buck and a couple does are all Mitchell saw for day 1. Let's see how day 2 turns out.
September the 10th, second night in our stand back here in the back corner of this grain field. Hopefully, I have a good feeling about tonight. I think we'll be able to stick a giant, so stay tuned. It was an eventful night in the tree stand. We've seen 6 bucks, 1 small one, the rest fairly decent.
6 bucks. 6 bucks in one night.
Mitchell is so cute.
Mitchell and his dad / cameraman are feeling pretty sick. They didn't get a shot at that big buck, but 5 minutes later, here comes another big buck.
Meh, 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 meh.
I nailed him! I nailed him! Watch him, watch him, watch him. Watch him. Stay on him, stay on him. Stay on him. He's done. I think he's done. Oh, he's going down. He's going down. Yes! He's down. He's down. He's down. He's down. He's down. It's the Big 10. Is it the Big 10, Mitch? Mitch, is it the Big 10? Mitch, is it the Big 10?
Yeah, it's the Big 10.
Mitch, is it the Big 10?
It's the Big 10.
Oh my God.
That's the first deer I absolutely smoked, and I wanted to go down. Yes.
Mitchell, I go, buddy.
Put it here,
I'm so
Dad.
proud of you, buddy.
Thanks for all the work. I just want to thank my dad. He helped me put me on these deer. He put on so much work for me, so much time, and I soaked him. So we're gonna go find my arrow. I'm just so excited. Let's go find my arrow and trail him with the blood and see what's at the end of the blood trail.
Oh, is he wide? He's way outside.
Got good mass all around.
Congratulations, Mitchell. That's an awesome buck.
Beauty, you lucky.
Calvin, language, you oil patch guys.
Cam Clark Ford. Located on the west side of Gasoline Alley, Red Deer, Alberta.
Oh, is he wide? He's way outside.
Got good mass all around.
Congratulations, Mitchell. That's an awesome buck.
How old is Mitchell?
He's only 14 years old, and we're expecting big things from Mitchell and Roger for season 4.
Who's Roger?
Roger is Mitchell's father and cameraman.
Does he look like Mitchell?
Whoa, Calvin. Whoa, 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 whoa. And now let's move on to Sheldon's hunt. Sheldon heads to Lloydminster, Saskatchewan to hunt with his good friend, Mike Lance. Sheldon and Mike sit for the rest of the day with no luck.
What happened? Why did the buck run away?
It could smell oil. Alberta crude has a little bit sweeter smell than that Sask crude.
Figure, Sheldon.
I don't know, I was shaking.
You just got the big guy from yesterday. You realize that, eh?
It's good. Also good to use it to the broadside the whole time.
All the time, man.
Yeah,
What's going on there? Your rest is falling down on you?
Oh, I couldn't pull back.
We got lucky. You hit him real good.
Awesome. Yes.
Yes.
All right, buddy.
Good job.
Look for the arrow.
Yeah, you betcha. Hair and blood. Found the arrow.
Blood on there.
Right pass through.
Yeah. I like when they do that.
You didn't go freaking 50 yards, man.
Well, good, huh?
Oh.
Hard shot.
All the junk on his bases, split brow tines.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good deer, buddy.
This is a nice deer.
We had this deer come in yesterday at about 1 o'clock. Caught us both sleeping.
Yeah. And something scared him off and come back today at 11 o'clock?
Yeah, 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock and almost got busted a couple times trying to pull the bow back in the blind, but managed to get the shot off. Well, thanks to Mike for running the bait and bringing me out here and running the camera for me. This is awesome.
Well, I'll just hopefully he'll come back out next year.
Oh yeah, thanks buddy.
Don't touch that remote because when we come back, Blake Ulrich Richardson is going to light up your screen. Blake and Jonathan are so strong.
Don't touch that dial.
Because when we come back, Blake has got the look.
Just keep on him. You didn't get him. You didn't get him. You didn't have him at all. I had the little guy. I thought you had the big one. You said draw. No, I said draw. Go get ready for him. He's dead. He's dead.
Kelvin, I'm speechless. Now, what do you have to say? Blake gives Cal and I a call and we whip right over there to help with the recovery.
Yeah, because now we're a little worried Johnny's going to miss a recovery shot.
Exactly to the fence line and then down about 100 yards.
I know what I got to do. Somebody's going to carry shot forward. Double check him. I cannot wait to see the steer.
Right here. Oh, he's heavy. Look at that.
Slowly I build this wall of mud.
So it's opening day, September 1st. Jonathan and myself, we just sat in the tree stand this morning trying to get Two-Face here.
Congratulations, Mitchell, Sheldon, and Blake on 3 great archery bucks.
Got good mass all around.
On his braces, split brow tines.
Thanks for watching, everybody. May your hand be steady and your arrows fly true. Peace and love, everybody. Peace and love.
$130, Chris?
Yeah.